Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Paris Crowne. This boat is powered by the Mercury 450R. Black ski tow bar, stainless steel railing, stainless steel ladder. This does have the JL audio speakers here on the back of the transom. This is a single lounger layout. As we walk through, you'll see controls for the stereo, USB plugs, 12 volt. This does have the nice arch that folds down. Here at the helm, you'll see the upgraded helm chair, flip up armrest, flip up bolster, digital throttle shift. This does have the touch screens, stereo, more audio plugs, and the total lighting package throughout the boat. As you can see, it's very spacious, a lot of seating inside the boat. Storage behind every seat and cushion. As we make our way forward, it does have the in-floor ski locker and very long seating up in the bow. That concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Paris Crowne. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.